Hey guys, my name is Aroon Kumar and welcome back in another video. Today I just got a new gadget from Amazon, which is a M4 smart band, and the price of this band is really amazing. It's only 25 dirhams, which is approximately $7. And let me tell you one thing, this is a replica copy of the Mi Band 4, and the Mi Band 4 cost is around $32 to $35, and we already did the unboxing of the Mi Band 4 on this channel. If you guys didn't check that video, the link is inside the description, go and check it out. So let's just talk about the Mi Band M4 smart band, which is a copy of Mi Band 4. Now you can see the packaging on the front area. They use the picture of Mi Band 4. Let's see the configuration of this one. They clearly mention everything on the backside of the box. The model name of this one is a smart bracelet. Power input is 5 watts, 1 ampere. Display 0.96. Mi Band 4 also using the same display size, but the technology of the display is different. They are using the OLED and they are using the TFT. IP67, we have to test this one also. Working time 4 to 7 days, no idea, we have to try that one as well. Standby timing 45 days. Bluetooth connectivity is a 4.0. Most of the devices now these days they are using the 5.0, so it can consume the low battery. Charging method is a charging clip supporting, these are the Android devices it will support, 4.4 and 8.5 and above operating systems. So let's just do the unboxing of this one. Okay, first thing is first, the manual. The manual is in Chinese and at the same time is in English as well. I will tell you whatever they mention in this one, how to operate this device. First of all, we will just talk about the silicone band. If you ask me, the silicone band material is okay, but it's not that good like the Mi Band 4. Mi Band 4 silicone band is very good in quality wise, and also I use that band in some areas like water resistance, swimming pool, and even in the rain also, but the band quality was very good. I have no idea about this one. Let's just try. Okay, and this is the charging clip, which is also totally different from the Mi Band 4. And this is the main thing, which is I will just remove this one. Actually they make a complete replica copy of Mi Band 4, but there is some few things which is changed here. First of all, this is not the touch screen. You have to use this area to operate this device. On the back side they give the heart rate sensor, and here they give the, if you guys can see, this is the charging connection slots, but on the Mi Band 4 they have on the back side, so there is a little bit difference in the replica copy also. Let's just turn on this device. Okay, FitPro. The application name is also FitPro, which we already download in the smartphone, and the display looks like almost same. We will just fix this one in this band so we can just see some features. See, the display is, they try to copy the display, but actually the brightness of the display is very less. So here we don't see any kind of a touch screen, so we have to use this button. This is the things: state, BPM, sports, messages, more. So these are the things. Actually the display, the wallpaper of this one is almost the same of the Mi Band 4 which I'm using. Let's just, if you wanna use any feature of this one, you just need to press for a while, like 2 seconds, the feature will be activated. So this is a heart rate sensor of this one. If you want to stop, you can stop like this. Sports, let's see what's the sports features they are giving in this one. Run, skip, sit-ups, only 3 and Mi Band 4 I think they have a more in this one. Messages and more. Let's see what comes inside the more. Camera, you can use this as a shutter camera, like as a remote control. Look your device if you want to find your smartphone. Theme, let's see how many themes they are giving in this one. Okay, download application. Okay, we will just go in a more function again. Okay, these are the themes. Okay, theme number 1, theme number 2, theme number 3. In this one you cannot make any kind of a customized wallpaper, but in a Mi Band 4 it's possible. You can make the customized wallpapers. Now what we will do, we will just connect this one with the application, and let's just see the features of this one. So this is a FitPro app. So now this device is connected with the application. As you guys can see on the front side, you can see distance, consumption, target, and some other features is on a bottom side, like if you want to find the device. Okay, take the picture, messages push. This is the applications, so you can active the any of the application in this, so you can directly receive the notification in your smart band. We will just try the WhatsApp. So this is the notification. You can see I'm receiving on my smartphone, but at the same time I can check on my smart band as well. It's just a notification, so we cannot read the message properly in the smart band, but it's just a notification. And even if you can see if somebody is calling you on your smartphone, you can see the complete notification on your smart band as well. So these are the major features in this one. Let's see what comes in a motion. So there is a walk, run, bike, and these are the user profile. You can put your all the details here, so it will start tracking. So this is the application of the M4 smart band, which is quite useful. I didn't try this one, the heart rate sensor. I just want to try this one, how accurate it is. Let's just where this one, start measure the heart rate sensor. So here it can show my heart rate, beats, BPM is 73, 95% SpO2, and blood pressure 73 by 116. Frankly, I don't believe in all those things, because whenever I'm using the same feature in another smart band, it's showing something else, and in this one it's always showing something else. So I don't believe in these kind of smart bands that they are actually monitoring our blood pressure or heart rate sensor properly. Apple Watch, I can say yes, there is some few watches I saw in the market which I can believe, but this kind of smart bands, like especially even in the Mi Band 4 also, I don't believe in all those things. I tried the sit-up and all those features, it's good, it's accurate, but this heart rate sensor, as I told you before also, I don't believe in all those things. So this was the review of the M4 smart band. I will try in my next video to compare this M4 smart band with the Mi Band 4 which I am using, and let's just see the comparison of the original and the fake one. What is the major differences? So I will be back with another video soon. If you guys like this video, give the thumbs up, share with your friends, and as I told you, this is only a 25 dirhams smart band, which is $7 smart band, and it's not bad. If you guys don't want to buy the expensive bands, this kind of band is also good, and it looks good also. So this was the review of the M4 band. I hope you guys like it. This is Aroon Kumar signing off. Take care.